Hi guys, and welcome back to Maths with Miss S. This is part 7 on my algebra intro videos, and in this video we'll deal with a quite common question: find the perimeter of this shape. Now, first of all, what is the perimeter? Perimeter stands for the measurement around a shape, and peri literally stands for around or surrounding, and meter is a measurement for a distance or length. So we are measuring around the shape. That's pretty much what the perimeter means. So in any given shape, as long as you know the lengths of all outlines of the shape, you will be able to calculate the perimeter. So if we look at that triangle here, one of the side lengths has the length 2a, the next side length is a plus 3b, and then the third length is 5b. In order to get the perimeter, we just add all of these measurements together, and now we need to just understand how to add variables, how to add terms. So we know that we're only allowed to add like terms, which means only the same letter with the same power. We have a's and b's in there, so we're going to focus on the a's. We have 2 and 1 of the a's, which is 3 in total, and we have 3 and 5 of the b's, so we're going to add them together, which is 8b. Let's do another exercise there. This shape is kind of like a rectangle with a square on top of it, and we're again supposed to measure around that shape. We're supposed to find the perimeter of the shape again. So what we do again is we write out all our measurements and we add all of them together, because we need to measure around the whole shape. So we start off with our C, so just pick one of the measurements and start from there, and then just go around the whole shape. So I'm going to start with that C on top, then I'm adding 3a plus C, then I'm adding 2b plus C, then we're adding 3a, next we're adding the 2b, and then we're adding the C. Double check if you've all measurements covered. If you have, then you now focus on actually adding your terms together. So we get rid of our brackets. When there's a plus in front of a bracket, no changes are needed. I will talk about changes that are necessary if there's a minus in front of a bracket in a next video, so just bear with me there. For now, we just have pluses, so nothing to worry about there. We just look at the C's that we have there. We have 4 C's, none of them had a coefficient, but we know that if there's no coefficient, it actually means that there's a hidden 1 there. Then we look at our A's. We have 3 A's and 3 A's, which is a total of 6a. And last but not least, we look at our B's. We have 2 B's and 2 B's, which is a total of 4b, and we have an expression for our perimeter of that shape.